Exercise 2.5, sum number 11 in chapter 2. The sum of three consecutive terms that are in AP is 27 and their product is 288. Find the three terms. So, நம்மளுக்கு என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா the terms are in AP. APனா three consecutive terms எப்படி இருக்கும்னா A minus D, A plus D, where A is the first term, D is the common difference. நம்மளுக்கு sumல என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா the sum of three terms is 27. அப்ப A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 27. So plus D minus D cancel பண்ணோம்னா what we will get is A plus A is nothing but 3A is equal to 27. A is equal to 27 by 3. Cancel பண்ணோம்னா the answer is 9. So the first condition is over. Second என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா their product is 288. அப்ப the given terms என்னன்னா A minus D, A plus D, அதோட product வந்து 288. So A minus D into A plus D is equal to 288. We are going to use the identity A plus B into A minus B is equal to A squared minus B squared. Here instead of B, we have D. அப்ப என்ன கிடைக்கும்னா A squared minus D squared into A is equal to 288. So we are going to substitute A is equal to 9. அப்ப 9 squared minus D squared into 9 is equal to 288. 9 squared minus D squared equal to 288 by 9. So cancel பண்ணோம்னா the answer is 32. 81 minus D squared equal to 32. D squared அந்த சைட் கொண்டு போயிட்டு 32 வந்து லெஃப்ட் சைட் கொண்டு வரோம். அதனால வந்து சைன் வந்து மாறும். 81 minus 32 is equal to D squared. So subtract பண்ணோம்னா the answer is 49 is equal to D squared. So square root எடுக்கிறப்ப we will get that answer. D is equal to plus or minus 7. So நம்ம 3 terms கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So A is equal to 9 already தெரியும். When A is equal to 9, D is equal to 7. The answer is A minus D ன்றப்ப 9 minus 7. A வந்து 9. A plus D வந்து 9 plus 7. So 2, 9, 16. So instead of D, we can take D is equal to 7. We can take D is equal to minus 7 also. So the answer is 9 plus 7, 9, 9 minus 7, which is nothing but 16, 9,